I'm Christine Hoffman Igborn, and I am an American, and I live in Massachusetts, south of Boston. And this is my husband.
Hi, I'm Ohimai Friday Igborn. I also live south of Boston. Originally, I'm from Nigeria. So I came first 2009 to Boston to do my audition stroke interview in Berklee College of Music. I'm a pianist, originally on drums, side. But I also came 11 to start studying, and I went back. Then I came 15-ish. That was when I was being invited to a church where I met my wife, and I stayed a little bit. Then I went back. Then the church filed for me R1 visa to come and stay, like being the assistant music director and as well pianist of the church. So we were both working in the same place as the admin of the church and as the assistant music director, doing the ministry together.
So the lawyer who initially did the petition for Ohimai for his R1 visa for the church, unfortunately, due to a conflict of interest, we were not able to hire him to do our spousal visa. And so I started researching for someone in the area where we live. And lo and behold, I found Melanie Shapiro. And she, at that time, her office was in Dedham. And let's see, there was things on her website that were appealing to me. She did a lot of asylum work and had received accolades and awards. And so that was the appeal. And then we reached out to her and had our first consultation. And immediately we both agreed that she was the one that we wanted to handle our case. There were many things I observed in the office, both of us observed, was that she embraces all cultures and all ethnicities. Yeah. And Ohimai took note of her,
demeaning, so peaceful and,
pleasant.
Pleasant.
Yeah, and we loved her staff.
Yes.
So,
so professional.
Very professional. And so we agreed to hire Melanie to handle our case. Anytime we had any questions regarding the process, Melanie and her staff were always quick to answer any questions. We never felt like we were bothering them with even the smallest minute of questions. They were extremely thorough with the gathering of our information and gave us advice. Maybe you guys could add this or that, to help our case. And they were just very extremely thorough.
And that piece killed every sense of fear that we had, because it's a good thing they have that demeaning.
Yeah. When we had our interview at immigration, we ran into kind of a glitch. Also, at that time, there were some things going on with the United States and some changes with immigration regarding Nigeria in particular. Yeah. That was being passed at the time of our interview, unbeknownst to us. So it kind of, we had a really challenging interview with the USCIS officer. She was extremely strict and very rigid in the interview. So, but Melanie was there, to walk us through it. And we had kind of a glitch with his medical, and we had to retrieve a new medical because of a date. But she assured us that everything would be fine. She was so calm and reassuring. So we just decided that we would just run with Melanie, in the way she was processing everything that happened. Yeah. Yeah, and it was true. Everything went off without a hitch.
Yeah.
What's the thing you most liked in the whole process? in the office?
I mean, the staff in general. Melanie is very easy to talk to. She's, sometimes lawyers can be a little intimidating, and she's not.
Yes.
Yeah. Hanush, her assistant at the time of our case, was amazing. We just love her. We hope she does well in law school. And it's just everybody from Melanie all the way down, we're just great. I don't know, it's just, she was really interested. Okay, maybe that's one thing we can add is, Melanie took great interest in our love story. Yeah. She brooded over our pictures. Yes. And she chose certain ones. We brought so many. Yeah, we brought so many pictures. And she, her face would light up with certain pictures she looked at regarding us and our journey together. So we loved that about her because she has this way of connecting with her clients, so that she made us feel like family.
Yeah.